Welcome to this fabulous washi tape photo corner tip that I have for you today. Now all you need is some washi tape that's a corresponding colour to your photograph and a pair of scissors, and that is it. And we're going to create these corners of the photos to help them pop. All you do is you fold your washi tape over a half to make a double. Now try and get this as even as you can. Don't worry, we can always fix it up at the end. And squeeze it nice and tight on the edge. Leave a little edge here, something to stick it down with on the back of your photo, and then very carefully begin to fold it in like that. And don't worry if it's not square, it actually doesn't matter because your photo will just sit into it. And what you do, in fact I've got one here that I've nearly done so you can see it, is you then put your photo corner over the edge of your photo and you stick it down with that longer bit at the back. Now you will find that there is the other little bit that sticks up. What you can do is basically just get a little bit more washi tape, get it nice and tight and stick it down. And that is such a simple way to make your photo corners. Look how lovely that looks. And here is one that I've done on a beautiful black and white washi tape. And you can see there, I've just done it with the corners, and I've even put it around the corners of the page as well. So a really simple, easy trick using your washi tape there to really make your photographs pop.